Hey guys, welcome back to Creative VFX, another short tutorial here. And this time we're looking at breaking some objects in Cinema 4D. I just want to show you how easy it is. Simply, it's so ridiculously easy that everyone can learn it within a few minutes. So I just want to show you how you can get that done and start getting in and breaking some objects. You can of course implement. Import different objects, models, and put them under the MoGraph, the new fracture MoGraph option that's in Cinema 4D R18 version here. So basically, in the R18, we have this MoGraph called Veronia fracture, and this is one we're gonna use. So let's just start in. I'll make a floor. And I'll quickly, from spline tool, create some text. Let's go and give it a name called explode. Give it a font Oswald. Okay, and now that's extruded. Put the text below our extrude. Look from another view. Then in the extrude, go and give it some more depth. Zoom in there, and we want to give it some caps, fillet caps, also on the back side. That looks good. Okay, let's see what we got here so far. Okay, let's get some a light in there, maybe one more. Look from another angle. So I'm using this button here. You can go in and watch from perspective, front, from the side, top, and so on. Light, that just makes it a lot more easier to navigate around. We'll put the one light here on the right side, the other light over here. Let's go back to the perspective view, zoom a little bit out, take this light a little bit backward like that. Let's see how it looks like in the viewer. Yep, not too bad. And I'm not all that expert in cinema and making materials and all that, so I'll just go into my presets and load up some textures from Grayscale Gorilla. Let's see, just make some materials. Let's go one up, take this one. Okay, and let's go back to the object. So let's see, let's give the floor a yellow texture here. Okay, and our text, I'm just exaggerating now with that. Let's see, white. Okay, let's go into render settings, effect, enable ambient occlusion. That should give it some more contrast. Let's see. Yeah, and let's go into the lights. Say shadow map soft. Shadow map soft. Let's look at it now. Oh yeah, looks much better. Okay, so let's do what we came here for. Let's go to the MoGraph, choose the Veronia fracture, and then we'll put our extrude below that, and there you have it. So go to the Veronia fracture, then we'll go through the settings we need. We don't want to go through everything because it's just so simple to use, so I just want to show how easy it is. So right now, these colorization just will show you the points it has right now, the breakpoints. And actually I want to go to display, show crowded shading lines, like that. Okay, so go to the object. If you don't want to see the colorization, just untick this mark, like so. Now go to the source, and then click on point generator, and here you can see the points we have. we want a lot more points, a lot more breaking points. So increase that amount. And we also will go to extrude, because we don't want to have hollow bricks. We want our bricks to be full. So create single object, enable that, like so. Go back to running a fracture, and this distribution chart you can see right now is uniform. It's spread all evenly all across. You can check normally, then you have in the middle here. You can go to inverse normal. You can go to exponential. Leave it at one side, for example. We'll go back to uniform, and then you can play around if you want. Oh, sorry, normal. You can play around with the standard deviation, like so, if you want that. But we'll go with the uniform. Okay. And if you go back to object, let's see what we have. Source transformation. Here you can play with the coordination of the points. Okay, so go back to the floor. Let's right click, choose simulation tags, and do collider body. Let's see. Yep, like so. We go to running a fracture, right click, simulation tags. We choose collider body, and we'll choose on collision, and dynamics we choose it on. Let's see now. Okay, so let's bring something to break it. Let's put in a spear. It's a classic. Go back to the overview, go over here, drag it up the bowl like that, go back in, push a little bit forward here so we know it's gonna hit the middle, like so. Okay, and for this one we'll just right click, simulation check, and rigid body. Let's play. Boom, look at that. That will destroy that in pieces. I like that. Hit the render view, look at that. Nice, right? And if you don't want to see the bowl or the spear, you can always just uncheck that. Go back. Now it's not visible. And then if you want it back, do it like so. We like that. And this was with the bow, right? Because, or with the spear, you can also just add in an effector. Go to mograph effector, random, boom, and the random effector is already in here. So let's go into random effector, choose fall off, choose the shape to linear. Let's see. Right now we have it here, right? So let's go into the deformer. Sorry, this one, is it plus? Yeah, this was this one. This one is pretty good. Cool little animation you can make here. And let's see, we can even make it bigger and so. Deformer parameters, we can also choose this, put in the scale, play around a little bit with these values, just, you know, to offset as it's going in. Like that. But I actually like the default values more than so. The same here with the scale. Can also play with the rotation. Like so. And then you can just, if you want, you know, create a little animation with the random effector. So let's see, let's record active steps here, move 60 frames ahead, and then drive the animation over here and record again. Let's go back, play it. And now view it. Look at that. Huh? So that's it, guys. Just want to show you how quickly and easy it is to use this Baronio fracture. So easy. Nice addition to the Cinema 4D, so you don't have to go out and spend some money and looking for another third-party plugin. Now you have it built inside Cinema 4D. Go in and break some object, have some fun. See you next time, guys.